నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 5th స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, the people who lives in Pushkara Dvipam, they meditate upon Paramatma who is in the form of Chaturmukha Brahma, and they will be praying Chaturmukha Brahma with the following stotram. Yattat karmamayam lingam brahmalingam janaha archayet ekantam advayam శాంతం తస్మై భగవతే నమః. యత్తత్ కర్మమయం లింగం బ్రహ్మలింగం జనః అర్చయేత్ ఏకాంతం అద్వయం శాంతం తస్మై భగవతే నమః. Chaturmukha Brahma is a soul. Based upon the past deeds that he performed, that soul gets to elevated to the status of Brahma. And with Paramatma's anugraham, from that Brahma, Veda mantras comes down to all the worlds. And that Brahma will be surrendered to Devadeva Srimannarayana and will have unshakable devotion towards Srimannarayana. That is why, O Chaturmukha Brahma, we are praying you, we are doing namaskaram to you without being result oriented, without asking any other benefits. Like that, Pushkara Dvipa people will be praying Chaturmukha Brahma. O Parikshin Narendra, so far I told you about all the Dvipas, 7 islands which are there on this earth, which is all the way up to the ocean of pure water, Suddhodaka Samudram. Now, beyond that Suddhodaka Samudram, Swadujala Samudram, there is one mountain called Lokalokam. There are some worlds which get sunlight, there are some worlds which doesn't get sunlight. So this mountain will be in the middle of those both kinds of worlds. This mountain will divide both of them. That is why this mountain is named after Lokalokam. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.